Hello, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Husky Central Vacuum Cleaner system. I ordered it online from Costco and it was shipped by UPS, and the driver told me that it was damaged during shipment and it was him who taped it up. So let's have a quick look inside here and see what we got. Never use without the filter installed. Here looks like we have a user manual with some mounting screws. Interesting. Looks like some tools for mounting. And attachments. Floor attachment for hardwood. Even got the Husky dog on it. Brush floor, nice and soft. Extender piece. Looks like a wall bracket. Places for screws. Another floor piece. And then a rack with a hose. And lastly, looks like another mounting bracket, or somewhere where you hold the pipes and the tubes and the attachments. That's it for the attachments. Here we have the main hose. Piece to go into the wall and a plug-in for a power nozzle. Pretty standard. 3 switches, on, off, and power nozzle on. Change the suction right there. Quality feels average. I could squeeze it through, but I don't want to put any dents in it. Power nozzle. What's this? Oh, user guide. Alright. So in here we have looks like a carpet height. It's changed with this lever here. 1, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's a button here for overload. Release handle, release wand, Not sure why there's a power button there, but I'm sure I'll figure that out. Changing the carpet height just pushes this away from the base further. And here at the bottom we have a handle release. Back in the box. Looks like a brushed aluminum or stainless steel extendable handle. Just place right there for now. Again, looks like another handle. That's, I think it's adjustable as well, maybe. There's a button on it right there. Alright, I'll just lay that aside. And in here we have the canister. There's bag with Husky written on it. Looks more like a tool belt. I'm assuming that's to put the accessories in once it's hanging on your wall. It looks like that's all that's in here. I'm going to stop the film here and take that out of the box. So I've taken the canister out of the box. The quality of it feels really nice, very strong. These handles are plastic, but again still feels the quality is good. So reset switch there, light, trouble light maybe. Just going to open up this, see what's inside. So there's some spring action here and some soft material so that it doesn't scrape the metal. The latches actually feel really nice, very strong. These are plastic, but there's metal in between there, so it's doing a good job. So I just took the canister apart, and you have the filter here. Turn that down with the elastic, and I'm assuming it can come off. And then inside the canister, you got the bags. I think there's three filter bags, and then of course the hose cover, so that you don't damage your floor or furniture when you're pulling the hose around them. So there you have it. There's my unboxing of the Husky Central Vac system. Next task is going to be installed, so feel free to watch my next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.